Hey, welcome back. Let's do one more animation. Let me put this down. Let's do the walking animation. Now, usually moving animations can be very finicky because you need the right momentum to make it like good, like feel good at least. Um, we're gonna do something simple, and we're gonna start like this. So we're gonna do like a back and forward animation, where we just keep coming back to the reset point, right? To the idle reset animation, which is this one, right? Anyways, let me show you. So we copied this one, and here's my idea. We're just gonna stretch his legs, so we make him like he's floaty on air. Um, and to do that, we're gonna do like this. My webcam's probably in the way. That's because I'm not zoomed in. It's like, why is everything like not where I want it to be? There we go. So I'm gonna stretch his legs like that. And this is fine. Wait, no, no, no. It's one above. There we go. Like that. And we go like that. And then we delete the rest underneath. So this is okay. And now I'm going to go like this. I'm going to copy this one, the original. So we go back to the original. So we go like that, and then like back to the. And we can just do it like this, and it'll be fine. It'll look like we're walking, but we need one more to make the whole thing come together. I'm gonna copy again this one, and now we're gonna alter it. And we're gonna make this leg stretch. So we take the darkest one. So we use a darker one for the leg that's in the back, and the brighter one for the leg that's in front. And we're just gonna go like that, and then we delete this. So now we have this thing, right? It's like it's in front, then normal, then we swap legs. It looks a bit silly, but it's a running animation. Like we can't see it because it's so small. I mean, we can kind of tell there. I mean, it looks weird because nothing else is animated, right? But just to make that simple move come to life, all we got to do is this. When we're jumping, when we go like that, and our legs are high, we're gonna grab the little hand, and we're gonna move our sprite up 1 pixel. So you're gonna grab it, move one, and this one as well. Like we're jumping, you're gonna grab it and go up one. Now look, now it looks so cute, right? It looks like he's tuk 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 tuk, like he's actually moving, and we can leave it like that. That's it. We're done. That is good enough for a running animation. But if you wanna like soup it up a bit more, here's what we're gonna do. So when it's like this, it's idle again. It's normal. We're gonna keep coming back to this one. When it's this, so his right, left, right. His right leg is in front, meaning that when we put the right leg in front, we have our right arm go back, right, and the left go forward, and the left leg go back, right. So we're swapping. Like imagine yourself running, basically. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna try the shape selection because we haven't done the shape selection yet. Actually, let's try this one. This one can select the shape automatically if if the shape is closed or whatever. If it's easy enough for the computer to like recognize the shape. Let's click it. No, it selects too much. Let's try this one. we click on this one, and it just selects the square. If we click on this one, no, click, no. It's because it's selecting on the black outline. See, everything that's like surrounded by the black outline is gonna select that, so it doesn't work. So we're gonna grab this one, and this one's more specific. It's like we go like this, and you just need to draw the shape. So like that, like that, like that. And then we come together. When we let go, it's gonna select the middle as well. So you just basically just draw the stuff that you wanna cut. Right. So now I'm gonna control X, and I'm gonna get rid of the shield. So if the right leg goes forward, then the right arm goes back. So we need to bring the shield back one. So I'm gonna grab the shield. Oh god, it went down one. So we're gonna bring him back one. Press OK. And while I'm at it, we can actually use the big selection tool, this one. And if that one goes back, this one goes forward, right? So again, I'm gonna cut, see, cut. I'll bring this one forward one and paste. Right. So, and before I change anything, while I still have this selected, I'm gonna go, because we're gonna do the same thing backwards to this one. So I still have the, you know what? I'll do it later. This is fine. I'm exemplifying things. So like that. I'll do it later. This is fine. I was gonna try and optimize the process, but this is fine. So I'm gonna grab the black and just like that to fill in the rest. And this one, that's gonna also be a black square. And here we're gonna add. Where are we gonna add? Oh, this is a black square because that's the belt. Gonna add a black square there, and we're gonna extend the tabard. Like so. So now, see, it looks like we're opening up the arms. It looks so cute, my god. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Is there something there that I'm not really liking? What's happening here? This all goes up, right? Yes. Yeah. I don't know. It was just a trick of the mind or something. We can leave it like this. And again, it would already add more to it. Look. It's already adding more to it, but we can go one step further. And now we can go do the opposite, right? So now this leg's forward, meaning this part is going to go back, and this one's going to go forward. So again, we're going to select the shield. I'm going to use the custom select. Why is this? Oh, there we go. So I'm going to draw the shield like so. Like that. Let go. Selected. Now I'm going to cut, select, move one forward, paste, and I'm going to grab the big selection tool. And we're going to select this whole shebang. We don't need to select the hand, right? Because all of this is going to go back one. So we select that much. And then we're going to do the same thing. We cut, Bring back one. Paste. Perfecto. So now it'll look real neat, right? Like, look at that. Like, look how cool that looks. Let's speed it up a little, right? That looks like such a cool running animation. Right? It's so well animated, and it's just 4 frames. It's just a toot 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 toot. You could even put in like a little sound. But if you add in the juice, right, the smoke, and all that jazz, on these little steps, like with the sound, it's gonna look amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm thinking that the sword might be too big. Like I might have gone overboard with the sword a little. It'll be fine. Right, so let's save this. Good practice. Hit the floppy disk. Save as. It's already White Knight Attack, which is it was the old one I was using, and we're gonna call it Run. And now we're gonna go to frame number 1, and I'm gonna export the image. Hit download. This was the attack. Gonna make new folder. Gonna call this Run. So run 1 and hit save. Now we're gonna down arrow, click, run 2, enter, down arrow, click, run 3, enter, down arrow, click, run 4, enter. And that's it. That's 4. But you know what? Let's do one more. So I'm gonna use, which one do I want? This one's fine. Let's use this one. And now I'm gonna delete the other ones. And we're gonna do a jumping animation. And the jumping animation is just gonna be 2 frames. So I'm gonna hit save. Save as. White Knight. Jump. Press enter. And the jumping animation is going to be just this. It's going to be something very basic. And it's going to be 1 frame, actually. And all we're going to do is put the sword over there. So he's jumping, and the sword goes up. So we're going to need our drawing thing. Grab the white. And 1, 2, 3. Maybe that's a bit too far. That's okay. I don't know. His arm there. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did 6 for the other one, right? So let's go like that. Let's grab the same color. Let's fill it in. Let's delete this stuff that we don't need. And like that. That's a jumping frame. So when you press jump, it goes like that, right? Let's bring it down a notch. That's fine. I'm thinking, do we want this as a jumping animation? So he's jumping like that, you know? That's kind of cool, right? And then if you're in the air and you want to attack, he's already like this, so he goes Tao, right? And he attacks. I know. I'm not gonna do any voiceovers. Don't worry. That's good. I'll roll with that. It's a one frame jump. And did we save already as jump? Yeah, we did. So I'm gonna hit save, export. We only have the one frame. And I'm gonna go back, folder, new, and jump. Like that. And now we're gonna save. Cool beans. I like that one. I like that whole animation. Right. I'll catch you guys next episode for the last animation, which is gonna be climbing. Right. So until then, I hope you have a good time. Have a good day. If you're enjoying these videos, leave a like, subscribe, all that jazz. Make me happy. And until then, I'll see you guys next episode. Peace out.